Here we have Brian opening a box of Ultimate Collection here at Cavalier Cards in snowy Charlottesville.
Where's the thing?
You mean, where's the knife?
I gotta do
It's
the
in a
knife.
drawer.
Like that. Like Chris J. Shout out to Chris J.
Ultimate Collection, one of the nicer products we've seen so far this year. Upper Deck actually giving out value in their products. What a concept.
Until this box.
Uh-oh, it looks thick.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know, we'll see.
It's a redemption. What's a jumbo swatch of? Chipper Jones!
Nice. I know who might want that.
Brian, he's a fan of Chipper Jones.
Why are you holding the card up so high then?
Second door on the left.
Dare Cheater Base.
We're still doing a recap. No,
Nice.
they don't feel like face cards.
Great
Watch
product.
Chris for the 60 seconds.
I'm sure you'll find these up on Cavalier Cards eBay site. Thanks
Yeah.
for watching.